Hi friends, today I am with the Micromax In one, and in this video we are going to talk about the device, what are the good features, what you get in the box and why you should consider to buy this phone. Talking about the device, it is coming with two variants, 4GB, 64GB and 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. Coming to the back side, there is four things given in which it has a Helio G80 processor, 6.67-inch Full HD plus punch hole display. It has a triple camera setup, 48 plus 2 plus 2. It has a 5000 mAh battery. It is coming with Android 10.0. It is a pure Android experience where you will not get any bloatware, and it is made in India smartphone as the brand logo says that. Now coming to the device, if we talk about the price of both the variants, the 4GB 64GB variant is priced at 9999, and coming to the another variant which is a 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, it is priced for 11,499. If we talk about the colors, there are two colors available, one is blue and second one is purple. The color what we got for review, it is the purple one. Warranty, screen damage and accidental coverage also. For this you need to read the booklet. I am not going to in that in deep. If we talk about the device, here you can see this is the purple one, and I'm just taking out the plastic wrapper, and it looks pretty much premium in design, and it has still a plastic body. It comes with the triple slot where you are getting a 2 nano SIM card slot and one expandable slot, which is definitely a great thing. Now coming to the device, we are also getting in the box some paperwork. Here you can see there is a SIM card ejector tool, there is a back case, it is a thick back case, there is a user guide and also a screen guard. This is what you are getting as an accessory. There is also a charging adapter which is an 18-watt charging adapter. You can pause the video and check out the rating, and there is also a type C charging cable. So this is not a micro USB but a type C charging cable. So this is what you are getting in the box. Definitely there is no earphones present in the box, but if we talk about the device right now, the device comes with the 6.67-inch display, which is a punch hole display, and it is having a full HD plus display panel. In the side we are getting a power button, volume rocker keys. At the back we are getting a triple camera setup. Also there is a fingerprint sensor, noise cancellation mic and also a Google Assistant button. Here I will show you the SIM card slot, and where you can see how it is. It has a 2 nano SIM card slot which will support the 4G. This is not a 5G smartphone, and it also comes with the expandable storage. It also comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button. I will just show you how it works. It was also seen in the Nokia smartphones for a very long time, and still Nokia is giving it. So here you can see it goes directly into the Google Assistant. In the bottom we are getting a 3.5mm jack. There is also a noise cancellation mic and type C charging port with the speaker grill. So this is what we are getting in the bottom panel. Coming to the device, it comes with the 5000 mAh battery, which is definitely heavy. And if we talk about the device weight, it weighs around 195 grams. So definitely it is on the bit of a heavy side if we talk about, but not that heavy. And this can't be used with one hand. It comes with a 6.67-inch display panel, so definitely it is a huge display. Now coming to the device, the display, I will tell you that one more thing. It has a dark mode inbuilt, so I'm just putting the dark mode here. So currently the device is running on Android 10, but if Micromax would have given it with Android 11, it would have been a good thing. But currently there is no update from the Micromax team that when the Android 11 will be rolling out for the device. So the best thing is that it comes with the pure Android experience. There is no bloatware present. So any app which you want, you can directly install. Here I am just putting it into the dark theme so that the things are much more visible. And if we talk about the brightness level, I have lowered down the brightness level. There is a screensaver also, you can start it here. You can see the screensaver mode. I'm just not going to start it on right now, but there are few things which Micromax has given. I would definitely like to see if they have given that gaming mode in the smartphone, which is not present right now. Maybe we will get it soon. And here is the battery percentage. I have already discussed the battery power. It comes with the 5000 mAh battery in that. And now if we talk about this, Micromax has given few more things in the device. It comes with the intelligent assistant, And there's storage I have already told you, it comes with the 64 GB of internal storage. There is privacy mode, there is security mode, you're also getting the screen lock and the fingerprint sensor, including the face unlock feature. You are also getting a Dura Speed, which will check out your background running apps and try to close them off. You can switch it on Dura Speed when you want. It comes with the digital well-being and parental controls as well. Now, if we talk about the device, here you can see it is currently running on Android 10, and still there is no version on Android 11 yet, but most probably the device will get the Android 11 very soon. The update is from still March 5, so till March the security patches have been delivered by the company. Now, if we are coming to back to the security thing, the security, it comes with the face unlock and fingerprint sensor. So first I will show you how to enroll your fingerprint sensor. It is very easy. Just put the pattern or the pin code, and after that there is a touch sensor at the back. You have to tap on it, and it is very less time taking. It will not take much time. It also supports multiple fingerprint sensor can be registered, and it can be enrolled for unlocking the device. So definitely a useful feature. It is very easy, not a time taking one. And if you want to see here, I am just showing you how you can enroll a second finger also. So multiple fingers can be enrolled very easily. It is not time taking, and can be done in few seconds only. Now coming to the face ID, for the face ID you just have to put your face and this done. And here you can see you have to take your time, you have to rotate your face upside down, left, right, top, bottom. Once you are done, it will just register your face and the face ID is being done. Right now I will show you how the face ID is working. Here you can see the face ID, it is working quite smooth. If we talk about the fingerprint sensor, see the fingerprint sensor is also fast and working very smoothly, so no complaints on that. Now coming to the device, we will talk about the camera. For the camera at the back side, we are getting a 3 camera setup where one is the 48 megapixel primary sensor, 2 megapixel is the secondary depth camera, 2 megapixel is also the macro camera. And if we talk about the front, we are getting an 8 megapixel front selfie shooter. Now if we check out the camera app, it is very simple. It has few modes like night mode, HDR, video, photo, portrait, and pro mode. Pro mode basically gives you every control, and there are few more other modes including macro, beauty, filter, time lapse, slow motion, intelligent scanning, which is a document scanner, panorama mode, slow motion. So these are what you are getting. There is a portrait mode where you can change the aperture also, and there are few more settings where you can change the picture size. You can also change your location settings, grid lines if you want, and you can put the timer, camera capture mute, or camera capture, the audio will be available. You can also capture 48 megapixel camera or camera shot, 38 megapixel, 29, 12 or 7 megapixel. So you have a choice for that also. And coming to the video, the maximum video resolution what the smartphone supports is Full HD. Here you can see Full HD, HD, VGA and GIF. If we talk about the front camera, also front camera supports Full HD video recording, video recording, VGA and GIF camera recording. So this is what you are getting. You are also getting EIS in the smartphone. There is no OIS present for the smartphone. We have tried and tested few camera samples using the both front and the back camera with the Micromax In one. You guys can check them out and figure out how the camera results are. Now coming to the modes what you are getting, in the portrait mode you can change the aperture, which you can see the aperture setting is there. You can increase the aperture or you can decrease the aperture. Definitely they have given a SDR mode separately, but I think that should be implemented in the photo and not a separate mode in the smartphone. If we talk about the camera pictures, here I have taken some camera shots. It came out definitely well or not, it is up to you. You can put that in the comments and reply as that how you like the picture quality. So definitely there are portraits sometime hit and miss. This is a normal shot what I have taken, and after that this is a portrait shot I have taken, and lastly I have taken using a beauty mode. These are the 3 camera samples from the front camera. This is a HDR mode. I was trying to capture a blue sky. Here you can see unfortunately the sky was not blue, so I will not blame the smartphone for this. I still do think that there is a slight chance of improvement in the camera, and definitely you will get to see that with the update of the software updates which Micromax will be rolling very soon, I guess so. So this is what we are getting with the camera sample. You can judge from yourself. Now coming to the device also, here you can see the apps are very limited. Few apps you can see is installed by me. So this is what you are getting with the Micromax in one 64 GB variant. It is available on Flipkart. This is all in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.